Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to disable or enable Find My Phone in an iPhone device. So to do separation, go to settings. You have been logged into your Apple ID, go there. If iPhone wants to have a password, write in it. And there is option Find My. Click on it. And there is a Find My iPhone. Yep, option. It's enabled when it's green. When you click the option and write the password, that's it. Turn off. Yep, your Find My Phone is already been disabled into this account. Yep, as you see, my Find My Phone is off. And you're gonna repeat. You can on it, writing your password, and that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.